If you are running a book publisher business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your book publisher business. Now, managing tasks like submitting author's manuscript, sharing publishing package details, and answering author's queries manually can take a lot of time. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. Welcome to my screen everyone. So as you can see on the screen, this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow. And this chatbot will help automate my book publishing business by allowing authors to submit their manuscript, view publishing package details, and get answer to their questions. Now before I show you how to build this bot, let me quickly show you how it actually works on real time. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. I have already connected this number to my chatbot. Now I'll just send a simple hi and let's see what happens. As you can see, our chatbot quickly responds with this welcome message. Hello aspiring author, welcome to pen and paper publisher. How can we help you today? And I'm getting 3 options. As you can see, submit manuscript, view packages, and ask question. If I select submit manuscript, it will ask few details from me like full name, email address, and the manuscript link. Now it is showing me a confirmation message. Now I can confirm this message or I can edit my details once again. If I click on this confirm button, it will show me a thank you message and I'm getting another quick reply button back to menu. Now if I select this view packages button, it will show me the package details in the list format as you can see. Now if I select any package like this, it is again asking me for the confirmation. I can confirm this package or I can edit my package once again. If I select this edit button, I'm getting that previous message one more time. Now I will open this list and select another package and send. And now if I select this confirm button, it will show me a thank you message. So that's how our chatbot works. Now I'll show you the step-by-step process. For that, you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user, and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that, we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences, and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials, and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows, and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before start creating our flow, let's change our flow name first. As you can see, I've changed the flow name. On the left side, you will see few options. These are basically nodes that we will use to create our chatbot. And this is our starting node where our chatbot gets triggered either by a keyword, regex, or a template message. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With choose template, you can select and use pre-approved templates. In the regex section, we will add a universal regex that can detect any pattern and respond to the user accordingly. And if you want to enable case sensitivity in regex, you can do that from this option right here. Now I will drag and drop this hollow point like this, and I will get few options like text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, single AI message, and template. To create welcome message and give users quick button to choose from, we will select text plus button. Now I'll enter a welcome message for the user and 3 quick reply buttons. One for submitting manuscript, one for sharing package details, and one for their queries. You can check how your message will look to user by clicking this I button like this. Now I want to ask a question from the user and store the details provided by them. For this, I'll go to actions and drag and drop this ask question node. Now I will enter a question for the user. As you can see, I'm asking for their full name, and their response is stored in this contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create this contact custom field, you can check out the description box. Now I will connect this node to our first response. Now I will connect this question node to our first quick reply button like this. Now I will create 2 more question node. You can use this copy button to duplicate this same node. Now I am asking for their email address and the manuscript link. And don't forget to change this contact custom field according to the question and select format as any. Now before creating new node, I will connect these nodes to their previous ones. As you can see, by asking these 3 questions, I have collected the required information from the user. Now I want to confirm these details. To do this, I'll create a confirmation message. Just drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. Now I'll create a confirmation message. In this message, you can see this $sign. We are using this symbol to show the data stored in their particular contact custom field. And we are using these asterisk symbols to make our font bold and visually appealing to the users. Now I will create 2 buttons, one to confirm this message and one to edit the details. Now I will create a thank you message for this confirm quick reply button. I've entered the thank you message. Now I will add a button to go back to menu or a welcome message. Now I will add this back to menu button to our welcome message like this. And I will connect this edit details button to our first question. Now all the responses for this submit manuscript button is completed. Now I will create responses for this view package button. So I will drag and drop this option like this and select list button. By using list node, you can create more visually appealing message for the user. I'll enter a header, body. Now we need to select this add section. I'll enter a section title. Now I will select this add items. Here I will enter the package price and description of this package. Now I will go ahead and select this add section button one more time. I'm going to enter another package, select this add items and enter the price and the description. By using same process, I have created premium package details as well. Now I will drag and drop the set custom field option like this and create 3 copies like this, one for each package. Now I will connect each package to these contact custom fields like this. Now I will connect these nodes to their relevant contact custom field. Now I will select contact custom field. Now if the user select this basic package, this value is stored in this contact custom field. So I've created custom field for this standard package and for premium package. Now I'm going to create a confirmation message. For this, I'll drag and drop this hollow point and select text plus button. As you can see, I've entered a message for the confirmation. Now I will enter 2 buttons, one to confirm and one to edit. Now I will create 2 copies of this same node and edit the contact custom field name like this. And I will connect to each node to their relevant node as you can see. Now I will create thank you message for this confirm quick reply button like this. As you can see, I've entered a thank you message and I will connect each confirm button to this thank you message. As you can see, like this. And I will connect this each edit button to our package list like this. As you can see, I've connected all the edit details button. Now I will create a response for this ask question button. To do this, I will again use this ask question node. I'll enter the question, select it relevant contact custom field and select format as any and connect this question node to our ask question quick reply button like this. Now I will create a further response for this message. I will select text plus button and as you can see I have entered a thank you message. Now I will go ahead and tap on this save button. So this is how you can create this chatbot. Now it's your turn to try this chatbot for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbot for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.